Welcome to J&J's test video of 9622, an 09 Challenger SRT-8 with a 6.1 and an auto, 167,000 miles. It runs and it is really loud, so we'll walk around and show you what we got. Kind of beat up, ain't nothing really to write home about. Just a drivetrain, rear bumper, spoiler, all that. Been repainted about 12 times, it looks like. Seats are okay, got some carbon in it. This, that, and the other. Let's see. 167,800. Radio works. And now the crazy. Not really happy because the intake being twisted. I'll rev it a few times. Alright, engage the transmission. Man, this seat is in the back. That's that. Whew. As always, thank you for watching.